Hey everyone, Eric Johnston here. The other day I was at the Warbirds on Parade event in Lancaster, Texas. On the ramp I noticed this ultralight sitting there with a substantial lean to its left side. Walked over there, started looking at it, and it was obvious that the airplane had suffered some kind of a hard landing. Come to find out, the story that was told to me, I did not speak to the pilot, but what I heard was that on takeoff the pilot was sitting in the front seat, had his jacket in the back seat. May not have been secured all that well. The jacket blew out of the back seat into the prop. It's got a 3-blade composite prop on there, and it took one of the blades clear off. And the guy had to set it down working with maybe 500 feet of altitude. So apparently the guy walked away from it, and it looks like the airplane's probably repairable. So good job. Hi, I'm Eric Johnston. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel to enjoy many more aviation videos to come.